a work in progress. Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Sinking in and I guess I kinda like that. For the first time you really got my back. Got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you. Lose them with you, lose them with you. Just feel like maybe I could lose them with you.
Spot, Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Hello bucket list. Hello check. Does anybody know what time it is? Because if not, I'll tell you. Ain't nobody got time for none of that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! What is wrong? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Don't wave it around in the air, okay?
Okay.
And don't get too close or lean or stand on the fire pit because it is real. It gets really hot. And when you're all done with your sticks, Courtney in the yellow or Mishara in the white polo shirt can take them for you, okay?
Oh my God.
Blow them out, everybody. If they're burning, blow them out.
Got the horses in the back.
Oh my God, it's fire in my mouth.
Okay, more Disney songs.
I've been in a bag.
Okay, where did you get over here?
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so let's see if we can get this guy to kind of. Sings when you wish upon a star, makes no difference. Who sings that? That's an old one. Jiminy Cricket. We also have wipes. We have lots of wipes for you. You need a wipe? Blow it, blow it. Happy birthday. There we go.
Hey, yeah, 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 yeah.